Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly shut down your MacBook Air M2 or any MacBook that you own. It is the same for every MacBook, so don't worry about the step or the version of your Mac. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. Many people just close and open their MacBook the simple way, and it hampers their MacBook performance and it takes up a lot of storage and RAM. So this is the proper way to shut down your MacBook to make sure your MacBook runs smoothly. Now you need to simply click on the Apple logo on the top of your screen and a drop down menu will appear like this. In the drop down menu there are different types of options like sleep, restart or shutdown. You need to simply click on shutdown, and when you click on the shutdown, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your shutdown. If you don't click on the shutdown button right now, it will automatically shut down your computer or your laptop, that is your MacBook, after 1 minute, and the timer will be also shown on your screen. As you can see on my screen as well, the timer is showing at my pop-up. Now you can simply click on shutdown and it will shut down your MacBook completely and the proper way. This method is very easy and it will help to maximize your MacBook performance. And that's it, guys. You now know how to shut down your MacBook Air M2 safely. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.